Bonjour and welcome to my channel where we learn how to speak French. Today we are going to take a look at the definite articles, le, la, les. In a former video, I told you that in French, nouns are never alone, they are always with an article. And for example, un homme, une femme. And article un is masculin, une is féminin. And we have a plural, des hommes, des femmes. Today, we are going to take a look at the definite articles, le, la, les. Be careful with the pronunciation. The first one is le. I know English speaker want to say les. It's le. Le, la, les. Alors, it works the same. Le masculin, la féminin, les plural. Let's have a look at some examples. Téléphone, chat et chien are masculin, so I say le téléphone, le chat, le chien. Example of féminin, la voiture, la maison, la fille. Le is the article for the masculine, la is for the article for the feminine. And plural, we have le téléphone becomes les téléphones, la voiture, les voitures, le chat, les chats. It doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine. The article for the plural is always les. Next example, les maisons, les chiens, les filles. But be careful. I want you to look at that list of words. Let's see it together. The first one is aéroport, means airport. École. Île means island. Oasis and usine. The first one is masculine, the others are feminine, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that they all start with a vowel. Do you see? So when you have a vowel, A, I, O, U, and I, the articles le and la and le and la transform into L apostrophe. So, here you see, I don't say le aéroport, I say l'aéroport. I make the connection together. L'aéroport, l'école, l'île, l'oasis, l'usine. All right? So, you have also to be careful with a word starting with a H, because in French, H, it's an invisible letter. For example, here I use the article un, une des because you see that more. Un hôpital, hospital, un homme, un hélicoptère, or une histoire. You see masculin, 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 féminin. If I want to use the definite article, I can't use le, la, les. I'm not going to say le hôpital, I'm going to say l'hôpital, l'homme, l'hélicoptère, l'histoire. That's why I always give advice if you write up vocabulary to always use un, une or des, because you have a clear vision of the word if it's masculine or feminine. If you just use le, la, les with L apostrophe, you won't know, because L apostrophe can be le, L apostrophe can be la. Alright? Okay. How do you know? How do you know which one to use? Un, une des, le, la, les. It's simple. Un, une des, it's used, first of all, about when you talk about quantity. For example, if you say j'ai une baguette, j'ai deux baguettes, j'ai des baguettes. Alright? Quantity. J'ai un enfant, j'ai trois enfants. You can use un, une des. But most importantly, un, une des, it's for a category. Something that is not unique. It's general. Le, la, les, it's something unique and specific. It's the equivalent, the English of the. Okay? For example, un, une des, I'm going to say une voiture. In English, a car. Le, la, les, it's more specific. La voiture de papa. Okay, so the car of somebody. The. La voiture de papa. Again, un téléphone. It's very generic, un téléphone, I don't know, it's just very banal, very ordinary. But if I'm more specific, I will say le téléphone de Julien. You do that a lot with places also, like, for example, here, une tour, all right, a tower, une tour. Specific, la tour Eiffel. So with the noun, la tour de Pise. The last example I give you is for like a subway station, une station de métro. You have many of them. Which one, I don't know. I'm more specific. I'm going to say la station Liberté. I use le, la, les. Which one? That one. It's unique, it's specific, it's that one. Something else I want to tell you, it's about, so le, la, les, you're going to use it a lot when you talk about what you like and what you love. When you use j'aime, j'adore. When you like something or you love something, you're going to use le, la, les. J'aime le something, j'adore le. So what do you like? Le sport, la musique, les animaux, la littérature, maybe even la littérature française. You're going to say donc j'aime, or I like, j'adore, I love. J'aime what? J'aime le sport. J'aime la musique. J'aime les animaux. J'aime la littérature française. But again, be careful. When you talk about animals, it's just a little trick that you don't see a lot. Animals always use the plural. Always use plural. Les. J'aime, you say, j'aime les chats. J'aime les chiens. J'aime les lapins. Don't use le, la ou les. Don't say j'aime le chat, j'aime le chien, j'aime le lapin. No, because if you use le, la, if you say j'aime le chien, that means eating. Like you like eating dogs. It's important because in French, if there's a big difference, if you hear j'aime le lapin, j'aime les lapins. Because in French, we eat rabbits. So watch out for that. Yeah, I know. It's a bit weird maybe for other people from country. So yeah, look at that cute rabbit. Thank you for watching. I see you next time for the next video. I hope you learned something. Bye.